So in this activity, I want you to make food from leftover.
Pork stock. Saan ang galing to? Dun sa leftover na red sinigang. So in this activity, I want you to make food from leftover. And then you need to explain the phase change that we discussed in physics. Yo! Joke lang. Yan. So for this day, I'm going to discuss about phase change of mechanics. So, not forget to wear your para pag nagluto malinis. Paano yan? This one. Ganyan. Ganyan. O ganyan. Joke lang. Para hindi malaglagan. Okay mo. Kain. Let's go. And I'll be cooking sopas from the leftover foods found in your house. Pwedeng sa refrigerator or sa cabinet nyo na meron kayong mga stocks ng pagkain. Basta hindi na kayo bibili anything na meron dyan sa bahay nyo. So these are the ingredients. First, leftover foods from our refrigerator. Ang nakita ko doon is roasted chicken. Makikita nyo later sa video. Red sinigang stock. Yes, para medyo meron siyang twist na konting sour taste. Then, the elbow macaroni. 5 pieces hot dog slice. 2 pieces carrots. And 1 piece sayote. Siyempre, slice na din. 5 cloves of chopped garlic. 1 whole chopped onion. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 pieces beaten eggs for garnishing. Tsaka, dagdag lasa na din. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang milk. Ano nga ba ang phase change? Look at this diagram. The next video will discuss to you what are happening in a phase change. Let's watch this.
Matter normally exists as either a solid, a liquid, or a gas. We call this property of matter the phases of matter. The 3 normal phases of matter have unique characteristics. A solid holds its shape and has a fixed volume. A liquid takes the shape of the container and has a fixed volume. A gas takes the shape of the container but has the volume of the container. Matter can also change from one phase to another when heat or pressure are applied. When matter moves from one phase to another, this is considered a physical change. This triangle summarizes how matter can move from one phase to another. The plus and minus signs indicate if heat is added or subtracted. Let's first go over the changes that require heat. Melting is when you move from a solid to a liquid. This ice is a solid, but as heat is applied, it is slowly becoming a liquid. Evaporation is when you move from a liquid to a gas. As this water is heated, it is being converted to a gas. Sublimation is when a solid goes directly to a gas and skips the liquid phase. Underneath this smoke is a solid bar of dry ice. These next changes result when heat is removed. Freezing is when you go from a liquid to a solid. This snow at one time was a liquid, but as it cooled and became cold, it became a solid. Condensation is when you go from a gas to a liquid. When water vapor in the air hits a cold glass, it will slowly become a liquid. And finally, deposition is when you go from a gas to a solid. For example, this person is scraping ice on his windshield. The water vapor in the air went from a gas in the air to a solid on the glass. So I hope that helps with your understanding of the different phases of matter.
Okay, ayan. Nakita nyo? So, anong process kaya yan? Anong phase change kaya yung nakikita nyo kanina? Mabuti. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Umuusok na yan. Ano ba tawag yan? As you can see, this is the leftover dried fish or tuyo, which will be the ingredient of white sauce ingredient. Ito na po yung ating finished product from leftover.